Hello, guys. Welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today, we will discuss 7th January 2021. Myself, Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel, Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Here, before going to our current affairs, I wanted to tell you two words, that is, patience. And one more thing, confidence. Patience and confidence. First of all, self confidence should be there. After that, we have to be patient. First of all, self confidence means suppose I am preparing for competitive exams. Every day I am reading. I also tried several exams. I attempted several competitive exams also. But I failed in that exams also. I failed in that so many exams I written, but I failed in that exams also. But you should be or you should have self confidence. One day your hard work, it will pays off. Just you have to patient, or just you should have patience. Then only you can get the success. First of all, success won't get in a one day or 2 days or 3 days or 1 week. It will take some more time. For that, we have to wait. Then only we will get the, or we will taste the success. That's why be confident and have the patience. Then definitely we will get the success. Okay, let's get into our current affairs. The first one, MOC, on specified skilled worker. Here we will listen, or we heard there are two different words, that is MOU and MOC. MOU means memorandum of understanding, whereas MOC means memorandum of cooperation. Here memorandum of understanding is like a agreement. Memorandum of cooperation is like a both two countries who are making this MOC will have to work on that one. Here, why it is in use? Why? Because two countries, that is one India and another country, Japan, had made an MOC on the specified skilled worker. For that, the Union Cabinet has approved the signing of memorandum of cooperation between the Government of India and Government of Japan on basic framework for partnership for proper operation of the system pertaining to specified skilled workers. Suppose any Indians are residing in Japan. They are working in specified workers, skilled works. Someone having the skill in manufacturing, someone will have the skill in construction, or someone will have the skill in information technology. That's why this Japan government is recognizing these type of specified skilled workers residing in Japan. Here if you see the major impact by this MOC, that is, it would enhance people to people contacts, faster mobility of workers, and skilled professionals from India to Japan. We know that our India is believing that more soft power than hard power. That's why these corporations will benefit India definitely. Next one, Udyog Manthan. Here the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India is organizing Udyog Manthan in association with the Quality Council of India, National Productivity Council and industry bodies. Here, the marathon of focused webinars for promoting quality and productivity. If you take any work, we will see in that work two things, that is first one quality and after that productivity. That's why this objective of this Udyog Manthan is to improve the or for promoting the quality and productivity in Indian industry for 27 champion sectors and 24 subsectors. Promoting quality and productivity, focus on manufacturing and service sectors, domain expert led panel discussions, emphasis on 27 champion sectors and 24 subsectors. Next one, bird flu. Why it is in news? Why? Because bird flu has been reported among wild geese in Himachal Pradesh, crows in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, ducks in Kerala. In Haryana, around 1 lakh poultry birds have died mysteriously in the last few days. That's why this bird flu again in the news. If you see that the first bird flu case is reported in Hong Kong. Here it is this bird flu viral or virus is related to avian influenza or bird flu. Here there are subtypes, that is hemagglutinin or neuraminidase. Neuraminidase, HA or NA. Viruses are divided into subtypes on the basis of two potentials on the surface of the virus. 18 known HA subtypes, 11 known NA subtypes. Different combinations of HA and NA proteins are possible. An H7N2 virus designates an influenza a virus subtype that has an HA7 protein and an Na2 protein. There are 9 known subtypes of H5 viruses. They are H5N1, H5N2, H5N3, H5N4, H5N5, H5N6, H5N7, H5N8 and H5N9. These are the influenza A H5 viruses. Next one, vertical and horizontal reservations. And first of all, we have to know the definition of this vertical and horizontal reservations and why it is in use. First of all, we will see the definition of this vertical and horizontal reservations. In simpler words, vertical reservation means it comprises of sections like OBC, SC and ST, general not reserved. That means the sections of OBC, SC, ST we will call it as a vertical reservations, whereas horizontal reservations means physically handicapped. There are transgenders communities. Other comes under the horizontal reservations. Then why it is in use? Why? Because Supreme Court ruled that if a person belonging to an intersection of vertical and horizontal reserved category had secured scores high enough to qualify without the vertical reservation, the person would be counted as a qualifying without the vertical reservation and cannot be excluded from the horizontal quota in the general quota. It argued that both vertical and horizontal quotas were to be applied together, then the overall selection would be have the contest with the lower scores. That is about vertical and horizontal reservations. UPSC Prelims 2020, that is as a part of previous paper analysis. Today we will discuss 68th question. With reference to solar water pumps, consider the following statement. Solar power can be used running surface pumps and not for submersible pumps. Solar power can be used for running centrifugal pumps and not one with the piston. Here this question is asking for correct statements, whereas all these two statements are wrong. That's why our option is neither one and not two. D is the correct option. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye-bye.